Okay, we are out here going to install the Memphis Shades Gauntlet Fairing on the Rebel. So I have everything right over here. Here's the actual fairing, which looks nice. And then you got the headlight extension kit, which you need. And then also the brackets to keep it on the forks and then attached to the windscreen. Now I see why they say that open kits cannot be returned for credit, because you've got to destroy the damn thing just to get everything out. Definitely. What do we got? I don't know what the fuck that's from. Definitely not big enough. You're the right one. Of course. Should have a black washer and a silver washer. Although, I doubt it matters which grandma you put on, but God fucking wind. Come on. Come all the way through. Come on. Cool. Where did I put the... right there. Yeah. This part at least is fairly simple. If you don't drop shit like I do. Okay. right, one down. Okay, easy part done. Now, there's one of these that'll fit this. Yep. Of course. Okay. Kind of nice. They put a rubber bit on the end so you don't scratch shit up. Okay. Are you serious? Come on. I don't know, is this the same size? That is. What's going on that one then? Okay, so with Long Allen head, you want to break it. Should be doing this on this side first. Ah, oh, god damn it. Did that just Honda, fuck your goddamn bolts you use. Like seriously, why would you use something that strips so fucking easily? Nope. Well, that's it for today, I guess. Fuck it. Oops. I can't. This thing strips, I can't get it fucking out. If I get it out, I can't get it back in. Fuck. Bullshit. It's not even grabbing anymore. Okay, we are back with the relocation of turn signals. As you can see, I have them both moved now. What you have to do is that bolt right there, that is a replacement that's in the Memphis Shades kit. It is holding with that bolt. All you have to really do is release it, pull down the wiring harness a little bit, and get everything down here. It is kind of annoying to get this in. It's not super tight. You can see the, I don't know. These are rubbery, so they move around, it seems. I'm curious to see how this holds up over time. And same thing on the other one. That'll just unscrew from there, move down and replace. The Memphis Shades kit comes with that extra bolt, and then this washer and bolt for both. So we got those in. Now we'll work on getting the brackets for the fairing installed. So these are the clamps that go on the forks. Fairly easy. You just unscrew, and then they have a slot mechanism right here where you can do different width of bars. Fairly simple. Alright, now you can see we've got all 4 mounting points on. They're still kind of loose, so I can get the fairing on and then adjust it. Yeah, so far fairly easy, except for this screw starting the strip, which I think I forgot to mention earlier. It looks horrible, but it's got an Allen key set, and I was able to get that out without issue. Okay, and then now we have the gauntlet installed. I still need to do the headlight extension because it's sitting a little bit far back. Well, overall, this is on there pretty good. Alright, well now we're out testing how this fairing is going to do in wind. There's one car right there, yeah. Well, I definitely do not feel anything on my chest. So far, it's coming in around my neck, which is nice, gives me a little bit of a breeze. No, I think this thing's doing pretty good. It's taking the wind completely off my chest, putting it up above my shoulders, and I'm doing low speed right now, but I'm not getting any kind of buffeting with the helmet, so that's good. Get out here, but I can go a little bit faster and we'll see what it does. I definitely do need to install the headlight extension block, because you can definitely see down there the front of the headlight, and you get light shining up at you at night. So definitely see why that's needed for this now. Unfortunately, I could not get in there with the Allen keys I had to loosen those bolts, so I need to get some longer ones. So that'll be coming the next coming week, I hope. Well, I just need to go to the store and get it, so it's really just a matter of me getting it and getting to the store and buying them, which hopefully happens this week. Okay, well, we're out here now. We're gonna see how this works, how it does doing a little faster speeds. And it's bright as shit out here with the sun, so we're not going very far. I can barely see right now. Yeah, it's not bad at all. A lot better than it was without it. I feel the wind coming up on my shoulders, just above them. Yeah, not going out too far with this, I don't think. We'll just follow this in. I got 30 miles of range left before I need to fill up. That'd have been fun. I don't know. I'm gonna go too fast on these roads, but people here would call the cops easily if you fucking went ham.